Never settle for less. Always strive for the best. Hey you guys, it's your girlie Shell and welcome back to my channel. I bet you wanna know just what your girl is doing. Bet you wanna know just what your girl is doing. Talk to me, bet you wanna know just what your girl is doing. Hey, bet you wanna know just what your girl is doing. Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can tell by the title down below, I'm going to be doing a unboxing of some hair, specifically some clip-ins I purchased from AliExpress. Okay. Makeup smearing and stuff. It's hot. This ring light is hot. I don't know what volt this is on, but it is hot. And I got this green jacket on. And I'm hungry. I think that came out nice. Alright you guys, so before I do this unboxing, because this feels like a box, I'm gonna give y'all a little rundown on this hair that I ordered. I purchased some hair from this company called JK Hair. I was very suspicious about that at first. Just kidding, hair. Like, this might not even be real hair. But it's JK Brazilian Remy Kinky Straight Hair Clip-ins, human hair extensions. It's a natural hair color. It's 8 pieces set. It's a full head, 120 G's. Yeah, like it's an 8-piece set. This hair was not expensive at all. I believe I purchased this hair in the length of 18 inches. I didn't want it so long because main reason why I wanted to get this hair was to wear it in like a to wear my hair into like a ponytail, like these ponytail hairstyles I've been seeing, these natural looking ponytail hairstyles I've been seeing. I've been really wanting to achieve, but too much talking. I'll talk about that later. So let's get to unpacking. All right, so y'all know presentation is key to me. Presentation is everything. So looking at this brown box makes me very upset because I feel like this brown box had a lot of potential. I actually love receiving things in boxes that look like this, but to see that it doesn't even have a sticker or anything with their name on it really upsets me. Like, I really can't say that. But like to say, I did not pay this much for this hair, so I guess you get what you pay for. So alright, so inside comes the hair. We'll look at that in a little bit. But also they send some lashes. So cute. And a little brochure. What? I didn't even pay that much for this. Those prices are through the roof. I did not pay that much money for that stuff. But anyway, so yeah, it's a brochure letting you know what all you get or whatnot. Not really telling you anything about their hair. Make YouTube for JK Hair. Send link to us. Get $20 wig coupon or $10 cash. All right, so moving on. Let's look at the hair. So from what I can see is they sent two clips, 2 extra clips. I like that because, you know, with clip-ins, you know, you never know that some may fall off, which you don't want to fall off, but I mean, hey. So they sent 2 clips, extra clips, and now let's look at the hair. All right. Okay. One, this hair feels so good. Oh my gosh, this hair feels so good. You guys, okay, let me tell you the reason why I've never purchased kinky straight hair, because I always had this assumption like it was going to feel really coarse, and not the coarse in a way like our natural African American hair, but in the most danky way. Like I feel like it was gonna feel coarse in a way that wasn't natural, but this feels amazing. It feels so good. Oh my goodness. I am experiencing some shedding, like 2 or 3 strands. Nothing that's too alarming, but all right. So let's unwrap. Okay. We have this clip. This is a 4-clip. All right. This is so, oh my gosh, this feels so amazing. You guys, y'all just don't understand. It feels so good. The clips are all attached to this one. So yeah. Ooh, amazing. So that's one. Gotta make sure. This one is a 3-clipper. All the clips are attached. Let's see, this one is another 3-clipper. And these are also attached. They were sewn on beautifully. Let's see. This is a 1-clipper. This is another 1-clipper. This is a 2-clipper. All right, so you have 3 2-clippers, 2 1-clippers, 1 3-clipper, or excuse me, 2 3-clippers, and 1 4-clipper. And you guys, honestly, this is, I probably have to put it in my head because my head is big, but this looks like a full head of hair if you ask me. I really wish that I would have gotten it in black, only because my hair is black, because I'm too lazy. I don't really feel like dyeing it, but like, honestly, it smells like hair. I pretty much probably say that in every video that I do that consists of like purchasing hair, but it always smells like hair. It just, I feel like I get worried when it doesn't smell like hair, like, you know. But this is so beautiful. I'm gonna come up a little bit so y'all can see like the texture, and it is so soft, you guys. This literally feels like my hair. It literally feels like my hair after I then shampooed it and did a really nice deep condition and I blow dried it straight. Like, that's what this feels like. It's amazing. I love it. I love it. I can't wait to install it. Alright, so now we're gonna get into the pricing and the shipping and the customer service. So, pricing. I paid for 18 inches, I paid $51.55, which I feel like was not a bad price at all, considering why I bought it. The only thing I was very scared, because I'm like, oh my gosh, I probably should have bought two sets of the 8-piece clip-ins, because I'm like, this is probably not gonna be enough hair. But I've watched, like, or I've seen a lot of pictures and comments, and people were talking about all they needed was one and da 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 da. So that's that. But if you purchase, but they are doing a sale, it's just $1 or $2 off, but a sale is a sale, sis. Okay. Right now they're having their anniversary sale, so go and get your sale on, girl. Like, the prices range from $35.88 to $62.35, which is not bad at all. Let's talk about the customer service. It was well. Like, it wasn't, I have no complaint. I really didn't have to talk with the merchant that much, other than just stating that, you know, that was my correct address. Other than that, nothing. But more importantly, let's talk about shipping. I ordered this on Thursday, last week Thursday, right? Today is Monday. I'm recording this video on a Monday, March 25th, and y'all, I got my hair already. Like, what is that, 2? Because I don't count the weekends, because I'm not going to get, you don't get, well, I don't get anything on the weekends. But yeah, literally like a 2-day shipping. Amazing. So after unboxing this hair, all I can say is that this hair feels amazing. I honestly cannot wait to go put this in my hair. I'm probably about to do that like right now. Right now. Yeah, this hair feels amazing. I definitely, just from unboxing it, I definitely recommend JK Hair, because this just feels amazing. Like I said, the only con so far, girl, I thought this was hair slipping out of the dang clip. But the only thing I can say is just I've experienced some shedding in my hands, but that is not enough. That's too alarming. But once again, I definitely recommend this hair. Alright, you guys, so that is the end of this unboxing. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this made you interested in JK Hair, because I'm definitely do feel like I want to purchase this hair again, but I don't know that quick because I gotta actually wear it and see how it is. But other than that, once again, thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and share my video. Share it. Let someone know. Maybe you have a good sis that's asking, girl, have you ever purchased JK Hair? No, girl, but I know this girl named Michelle on YouTube and she did. Let me send you the link. Do that. Spread the love. Spread my name. Y'all stay tuned for part 2 of this video where I'll be installing this hair and possibly doing some hairstyles. But other than that, thank you guys again for watching. Until next time, stay up.